Hello to all traders and welcome back to another video brought to you by Orbex. So we're looking at oil today because last night OPEC cut its oil demand growth for a fourth consecutive time going into 2023 on concerns of more lockdowns, slower economy growths due to high inflation, and we've also got this supply chain disruption as well, which is really hampering a lot of economies trying to get back on their feet as well. Labor shortages are looking to be even more prominent in the news in 2023 as well, and obviously recession fears with stagflation really heating up now as we get into what is the last quarter of this year, and we'll see if it's a significant quarter as well. President Joe Biden's been quick to condemn this news because he said that Saudi Arabia seemed to be siding with Moscow in this joint cut of oil as well, and obviously a breakdown in US and Saudi relations would mean higher gas and oil prices in general. So a lot of economists are already eyeing up the $100 a barrel price of oil. This is crude oil, so Brent oil as well is expected to rise. We've had a little bit of a correction since a move to the upside for oil in the last few trading sessions. I've got this on the daily chart just to show you what the opportunities are. So we're looking at the moment that we've had a slight correction at the moment on today's value, but we are now expecting another move up to at least $100 to at least test. So on the daily chart, with the assistance of the Ichimoku cloud, this is a full movement through the cloud. So if we get that break at the lower border, which we are slightly looking like we're going to, we could see cloud engulfment and another move to the upside. So this is the whole prominence of oil in going into Q4, or the back end of Q4 this year, and then moving into 2023. A little bit like last year, we did see oil start moving up to $100 a barrel, and it did actually get confirmed at that particular price moment as well. We won't go back too far, but we just want to say that we did see this coming because it was kind of predictable that OPEC would start cutting supplies and also cutting their growth demand as well along with it. So not too much of a surprise in that direction. As you can see on the 4-hour chart, most significantly, if we're looking at intraday, we're seeing now that the prices are trading above the cloud, which gives the signal that we aren't really in a bear market anymore. We are just having a slight correction to the downside. As you can see here, we're going to hit this kind of plateau, and after yesterday's news, buyers are expected to move into the market and then start moving higher. As I said, the first test for me, the first significant psychological zone would be $100. This is where a lot of moves get made and a lot of signals are happening because of this movement to such a big psychological level. So we'll see if that comes into fruition. Obviously, we'll keep an eye on it in the next few trading days to keep you updated as well to see where the prices can go. Looking on Brent, can't really look on crude without looking on Brent. It is really moving in tandem. We did see a move to the upside. We're expecting this to be a slight correction, no more than a few more dollars, and then start moving higher. Again, the Ichimoku cloud will be a big factor in my decision making for the next few sessions, as if we do get a break through this cloud engulfment, I will be expected a move to the upside as well. So we'll see how that plays out, and we'll see what the next move is on Brent oil as well. We'll just look on the 4-hour chart as well. Get a lot of our traders asking for both daily and 4-hour charts, and even 1-hour charts, depending on what you're trading on as well and how you're trading, if it's a day trader, swing trader, etc. We're looking now, as I said, a little bit in the same motion as crude oil. As you can see here, we are trading above the Ichimoku cloud. This one has actually touched it, so we'll see if we do get a breach, but we are expecting a bounce at some point, and then again 100 is the main figure for Brent as well. We are still seeing ripple effects of the pandemic, especially in China, taking effect, because China have got this zero dynamic COVID that they want to really push in. So if they get a couple of cases, they'll shut down a city or a town, and this is really affecting oil and gold as well. So in that respect, if you're looking for oil in the next few months going into 2023, there is supposed to be a surge in the price. However, let's see what else comes out of America with Joe Biden and his consequences speech that he did yesterday. Also with OPEC, they could have more surprise in store for the oil market. So just let me know what you think, what you're trading on, and what direction you see oil going, not only for crude but Brent as well. And we'll speak again next time around for the next video. So have a great trading day ahead. Until then, bye for now.